Good morning, Titans! Today is Wednesday, August 23rd, and this is your Lightning News.
Have you taken Acting 1 and are interested in the Performing Arts class 3rd period? Well, then go right on down to Miss Quadignoli's room in G742.
Hey there, Titans. Do you have a slot in your 2nd period that you need to fill? Well, we have 2 awesome choices for you. First, Chorus is looking for new members. If you're interested, go see Miss De Leon in G720. Or, if you're more into speaking, Mr. Bunce now teaches a public speaking class in A109, so be sure to go talk to him if you're interested.
Attention seniors, to schedule your senior portrait session, please contact Life Touch. The yearbook deadline is September 29th.
Are you interested in becoming the school's mascot? Well, here's your chance. Tryouts will be held on August 29th and 31st. You must have a completed athletics packet in order to try out. See the GTHS website for more information.
Are you interested in learning more about Islam and why Muslims do the things they do? If so, come to Muslim Association meetings Monday after school at 2:30 and A153.
Are you new here? Wondering if there's a crew for you? Come to Black Student Union. The meetings are going to be in A153 from 2:30 to 3:30. Be there.
Hold the door!
That's tragic.
Hold the door! Thanks.
That's better.
Well, that's all the news we have for you today, Titans.
Until next time, keep charging.